President Yoweri Kaguta Museveni, also the National Resistance Movement presidential flag bearer for the 2026 general election, has continued to caution the electorate against voting for inexperienced politicians, especially from the opposition side, whose focus is frustrating government development initiatives. Do we only have inexperienced politicians from the opposition side? Is President Museveni telling us, Jomati, NRM, they are all experienced and they are doing the right thing for the people, but is the problem of this country the opposition?
The problem of this country is not the opposition. The problem of this country is not inexperience. The problem of this country is greed. It's great. You have people with sound minds whose integrity can be bought because of money, and they forget what took them to do what they're meant to do. This is an honest opinion. Will find me. I am not actually trying to rubbish. When we say we want to have leaders, credible leaders, and then we take transactional leaders, leaders magachero ilokachene. In Kenen kong Joma Lobo ko Museveni. Itame ge lobo pe mirni PM ge mar Museveni. Ke ge lobo PM allowance mi lobo ko Museveni tie ma dit maramo konyo lo tiano ge dire ge yue lo tiano ge tiare gang kwan mabe lo tiano ge kwano. It's not about leadership anymore. Kawatika lokom leadership. They are leaders who have been in this country that you can really look at them and say, yes, this is a leader. And I can tell you the leaders I admire in NRM. One is Hamson Obua. You look at him and say, yes.
Down to earth.
This is a leader. Enter mukene ko ngagi. Mukene ngagi.
Social.
Mukene ngagi.
Gana ba.
Nga.
Giteba.
Ah, no way. Chale Uganda, because Uganda chana cham gimoni pa Father Eric. What are they doing? No. Any kono. Any kono. Ye yellow, nge green. Any latela. Cha wayni ki ori nga ori one pick ramo or wala rubi gi pema ki orge lo tela magi tamane wane don wati tela. We cannot help young people grow and manipulate tela because they have a fixated mind. Magi tamane we are the only alpha and omega of this place.
Lo tela mo kana karama beru ka riki pajaba no giti tela beru ka rin tok mutagi enter food up to now. Are you telling me that those are not credible leaders? Makun, they have been in the leadership for almost close to 30 years, coming to 40 years.
Orenge infopeno ngat muteki armala Bwolo is aged. They are mature. Erfurgilo Bwolo. Teki penyoro yarniti la Bwolo. And that is what happens with the leadership. Ne iramochi aroma ini beri tela I level ma downtown I tela ma ini tela pe mwaka maduong no dong mi rebe dong a role model. Ero ki duge kin gang no ini dog na nyera padano. PM no pick nano that kind of gimoni mi tela ni kumi. Chi loka President Museveni amero wachini la dir lobo one pe watike pero ni lotela ene gegoro. Ento watike lotela magi bini tela ki mirri maduong mirgini o lawyer yako wigio wego it overtakes them. Keyboard given is not a surprise. PM lutela mariak lutela mala wig mako giba en lutela maga ramalake en lutela ma wigi tek makay logo gi money gi bino ka dogi bedi bang I logo gi money kom go kar ka lwen I logo gi money maraje tika ter gi tika goni chim I logo gi money maraje tika wachi logo da gi met gi yinyi way oti chalo ina yera we gi chirni. Those are not leaders. It took a weak mind will always want confrontation, and that's the kind of leadership what Uganda.